Suppose we have some numbers like this. We have the same number, but let us say we need to number this in order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So without renaming these each numbers, we can easily do this through the express tools in Civil 3D or in AutoCAD as well. So in my Civil 3D, I'm going to go to express tools and go to auto number. I click this one, then it is asking select the objects. So you have to select the objects in the way you have to number them, like 1, 2, 3, like 4, 5, 6, 7. So after selecting everything, press enter. Then it is asking what is the sort order. So we are sorting according to the select order. So we'll select, we'll select order. Then it is asking the starting number and the increment. So starting number is 1, increment is 1. It's 1, 2, 3 like that. So I press enter. If you need some other increment, you can use 1 in 1 comma 2 like that. So I press enter to accept this one. So to override this existing number and get the new number, we have to use this override option here. So I click override. So you can see now all the numbers overridden and added in an incremental order. So all the numbers in the earlier now auto numbered according to our selection. So that is how to use auto number on Civil 3D and AutoCAD as well.